Hello mga Ka-Toto! Welcome to another vlog full of light and love! This is Tori! And for those of you na mga bagong nanonood, if you want to learn more about business, events, and life, all you have to do is to follow me on my social media accounts. Click on the notification bell for more video updates and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. At for today's vlog, excited naman ako ito i-share sa inyo kasi marami sa atin ang working from home. Actually, even before pandemic, work from home na talaga ako and this is something na ginagawa ko day by day. So, allow me to share with you how to be productive at home. And for our first one, mga Ka-Toto, do not overwhelm yourself and make a list. Napaka-importante yan kasi by listing down lahat ng mga gagawin mo, at least you will be guided and you will not feel overwhelmed na feeling mo ang dami-dami mong gagawin at feeling mo hindi siya matatapos and all. At the same time, pag na-overwhelm tayo, we will feel stuck at lalo tayo hindi magiging productive. So, importante not to make a list para alam natin at meron tayong susundan sa araw-araw ng mga kailangan nating gawin. And second one is to know your non-negotiables and your priorities. So, kagaya ng shinare ko sa mga previous video ko, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, panoorin nyo na. So, I always create a list ng mga non-negotiables ko. So, ano ba yung mga non-negotiables? It can be exercise, prayer and devotion, journaling, at marami pang iba. So, depende yan sa'yo kung ano yung mga non-negotiables mo. At syempre, your priorities for today, napaka-importante yan. At least, you have to list down top 3 ng mga kailangan mong gawin na major about work naman ito. And number 3, mga Ka-Toto, avoid distractions and stay focused. Alam ko, challenge siya ng isang working from home. But don't you worry, kailangan lang talaga is we have to remain focused at malaking tulong din yung environment natin. So, it is important that we have a private space na pwede natin pagtrabahuhan. Plus, we need to turn off our notifications sa social media accounts natin para hindi tayo matitempt na mag-scroll down at maubos yung time natin sa wala. Kasi if we will be distracted, ang tendency, hindi natin matatapos yung mga tasks na kailangan natin gawin for the entire day. And number 4 is to reward yourself and take a break. Yan, importante yan because syempre hindi lang tayo pwedeng dapat work lang ng work sa bahay. So, kailangan we have in-between breaks na we can breathe and relax at para naman makapag-isip tayong muli and stay refreshed para sa ating mga gagawin natin for the next one. And for our number 5, review your overall task for the day. So, kailangan yan i-assess natin kung ano yung mga nagawa natin. Nagawa ba natin lahat? Ano yung mga hindi natin nagawa? So, para we will come back stronger the next day. And lastly, take a good rest after a long day of work. So, ang rest talaga is a necessity that we should really give to ourselves para the following day, mas energized tayo at hindi din tayo mapagod agad-agad. And mga Ka-Toto, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something for today's vlog. At para po doon sa mga bagong nanonood ng aking vlog, please do follow my social media accounts and click on the notification bell for more video updates and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And this has been it. This is Tori signing out. Keep spreading light and love!